엄청 크게. Don't like the rain. Oh, happy times. Do you feel better? Oh, happy. Now I have to get out there and pick it up. Oh, I bet you feel so much better. Hey, bud. It's a happy day now. So what are you going to do with her? Well, it's a rainy day today. Mom's got to take the garbage to the garbage can. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, okay? You be a good boy. I'm back. This is the one of the phone mounts I got. You can extend it, so I figured it might be good to use as a selfie stick as well. So that's one of them. And the other one, so this is the other one. There's part of it, and then the other part just attaches to your mount. So this one I figured I might put in the truck. It's a rain day today. It's a nice rain day today because I am not dealing with the hot temperatures that we're having. It's way cooler today, which is really, really nice. And it's nice to have another day off of work. The only bad thing about it is this is day 2, and that means I've gone 2 days without a pay. So yeah, you don't work, you don't get paid, right? But Tuesday night, I don't know if any of you guys that follow me, I was really tired last week, and so I've been able to catch up on some sleep. Tuesday night I slept. Wednesday, yesterday, I slept all day, and I slept last night, no problem. And then this morning I got up and my alarm went off at 4:30, and I hit that snooze button. At 5 o'clock I hit the snooze button and set my alarm again for 6. It went off. I hit the snooze button. I finally dragged my bones out of bed at 6:45. And then at 7 o'clock, my dispatcher messaged me and he said, we'll let you know if we're shut down. I'll give you a text around 8 o'clock. So at about 8:15, he texted and said that there was no work today. So I've got lots going on. When I had my safety check done a few months ago, I had to have front brakes done, and they are gone now. I've got brake dust all over my front rims, and they're squealing. The passenger side brake is also rubbing metal on metal. Now it's starting, so I need to take the van into this new shop that I found that was recommended to me by some co-workers. And that was going to be actually done on Monday because of the banking situation. I wasn't able to get it done because I didn't have full access to my funds. I have some money on me, but it wasn't quite enough, so I've been holding on to the money that I have. And I didn't go to the bank and get a temporary card either. I could today, but I'm just not going to touch my money. I'm just going to leave it. I do want to get these brakes done. And I haven't purchased the material, the 2x2s, the insulation, the plywood, or the laminate flooring. And I'm going to do the walls at the same time and try to get the bed frame done. So I've been holding on to every red cent I can. Now, I wanted to go out and get a propane stove and a new cooler, a better cooler. I ordered one online, but like I said, I've just been trying to deal with every phase that I've got planned out for my checks so that it'll get done. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm getting the floor done. I keep saying that, but I could have done it the last couple of rain days, and it's kind of discouraging, but could have had Wilson in daycare, things, you know, all the stuff taken out early in the morning. Drove Wilson over to the daycare, and then been started on the build by 7 o'clock in the morning. Had everything already bought and everything, so, but it didn't happen like that. Best laid plans, right? Yeah, so just wanted to update you on that. I've got no radio or any, my cigarette lighter's not working, and my horn's not working. I've got a fuse. I don't think it's a fuse. I think it's a ground wire, because my window wasn't rolling down before, and now it's rolling down. But now my radio doesn't work, on my cigarette lighter, or my horn. So I'm thinking it's some kind of ground wire. So we need to get the next thing to do is get those brakes done. Then the next thing to do is my tune-up and air filter, fuel filter, change the fluids, and deal with this short wire, or what the ground wire or whatever is going on it. Loose. I'm not sure what's the problem. And those are just really little things. I mean, financially they're a little bit. I think the tune-up will be a little bit, but it's way cheaper. It's quoted to me way cheaper than the other place I was going to, so that's good. But I'm having that floor done and my bed built out by the end of June. I really don't care. So the brakes and the floor and the bed. I was just going to do a twin, but I think I'm going to go to a full, like a double. And because Wilson, he will take his room that he wants, and it's been a little squishy. So I think we're going to go to a full, and then we'll end up having to cut back on the size of the kitchen and the 2 cupboards that I'm going to put in. And the stove, the wood stove, is going to take up a little bit of room too. So my blueprints will have to be altered a bit, but that's okay. I think the full mattress is really important. I think your bed is one of the most important things in your build. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys today. It's a rain day. I think we're just going to watch a movie and snack on some snacks, and it's back to work tomorrow, back to work for back to daycare for Wilson. And I also have been finding his demeanor has been starting to slump. The last 2 days with me, he's been really chipper. I've noticed a big difference, so I was able to pinpoint what's been going on. When he's with me, he seems to be fine, but by the end of the work week, I've been noticing his demeanor is really low. So it'll be just good when the season's over. I find it extremely hard. I love people, but I don't like people, if that makes sense. And I'm really not used to the city, and I'm not a fan of the city. So, and I'm in traffic all the time, which is really hard to deal with sometimes when you're dealing with traffic for over anywhere from 10 to 12 hours a day. It can wear on you. So we just have to do our time. It's my income. Come winter, it'll be a whole new story. And I want to thank everybody that's coming along in this slow procedure of the build and following me at work and stuff like that. I really appreciate you guys that tune in, and I just hope everyone's doing well, and just keep holding on to your dreams, just keep working towards them, and stay positive. We'll see you soon. Do you have to wipe your face on my pillow? Really?